Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my Etsy unboxing. I ordered it a while ago from Sweetwater Decor, and I don't know if any of you know this company, but they're the ones who do the eyelashes on the cups. I really like their stuff a lot, and I'll put their link below. So here is my box. It looks like this. Sorry, there's a glare. There you go. And it says fragile on it because there's a few fragile things. And my little dog Choppy is downstairs barking his head off because of a squirrel. He's sitting on the couch. So if you do hear him barking, I'm sorry. I've tried everything, but he is on a barking marathon. Okay, so let's get ready and open our box. Got my scissors. I'm so excited. And I got a couple more things that I also ordered from Etsy, but they're not here yet. And when those come, I will show them with you. Or I will share them with you. Ta-da! So when I first open the box, it comes like this. And it says, thank you. Your order was hand lettered with love. We hope you enjoy. Share your things with us. Tag us on Instagram at Sweetwater Decor, www.sweetwaterdecor.com. And I am going to. And this is just the receipt of everything that I bought. Okay, how do I open this? I am so excited, like it's Christmas. You know, anytime you order something and it comes in the mail, you are like so excited. It feels like a holiday. Like you know what you're getting, but you know, like you just can't wait. The thing that's hard is like all this little foamy stuff. Yay! And maybe a lot of you have stuff from them, but this is the Boss Lady. It's got a gold handle. Oh, a little piece of stuff inside, little packaging still in there. On the bottom it says Sweetwater Decor. And let's see here. It is dishwasher and microwave safe. Isn't that pretty? On my pink one, it says that this is gold plated. I'm going to read the description and see. I can't remember if that's what it says, but it is gold writing, and she hand does them herself. And it's a nice heavy cup. Like it's got some good weight to it. I don't like the square cups. I kind of like how it's bigger at the top and smaller at the bottom. I kind of like that look better, but really good quality, heavy, sturdy, and I like that writing on there. Really pretty. Okay, that's the first thing. Oh, these are so fun, you guys. So these are the eyelash pen set. Aren't those adorable? Take those out. There's the pink one. Let me put that down. You guys, it's so funny how I just did that so you can see. Cute, right? That was the pink one. Here's the white one. Really cute. And what does it say on there? Oh, and it's a Bic pen. So that's what the writing is on the gold. Really cute though. Fun, fun, fun. Really cute packaging. Oh yeah. See, I ordered it and it came in good timing, but the weather has been here so bad, like I forgot everything that I've done since we've been worried about how we're going to get somewhere and who's going to shovel, who's going to plow. Are we going to be able to walk the dog? So I haven't even been thinking about what I ordered. I totally forgot some of this stuff. As you know, I like the eyelashes. eyelash cup. And it's pink, but it's a flat pink. And it's like a Yeti cup. There's the top. Same type of style that Yeti top on them. Same type of insulation. And again, it says Sweetwater Decor. And everything is hand lettered with love. And then it gives care on the back. It is stainless steel travel mug. Wash before use. Hand wash only. Do not microwave. And avoid abrasive cloth scrubbing. Like, don't use like a Brillo pad on it or anything. And it says keeps liquids cold 16 hours and hot 12 hours. This is going to be my new car one. Fun, right? And you guys know I'm a Starbucks girl, but I'm addicted to these lashes. I think it's so girly and fun. Oh, I don't know. I know that look was crazy, you guys. I can't remember what was the other thing that I ordered. It's hard to get in there. Oh, I just got that little popcorn stuff all over the place. Oh, yeah. I got another one. But this one's totally different. Ooh, my hands are so dry. This says, every day I'm hustling. Both sides. And again, it has the Sweetwater Decor, gold-plated handle, same instructions, dishwasher and microwave safe. Heavy again. Oh, I love this. You know, your cup of tea, your coffee, I just like that nice weight of them. And I love that gold lettering. It's very pretty. Very girly again, but not too little girl. Like, just enough to say, I'm in charge, but I want to be pretty. Okay, now, I've ordered from them before, and I've got this little package. I don't know what this is. I'm thinking this is something that they send out. Let's see here. Try our candles, hand poured with love. Ooh, and I can smell it. Ooh, It just says 100% soy candle, Sweetwater Decor. But I don't know what scent that is. Let me see, does it say on here? It just says U.S. grown soy wax, gluten, lead, and paraben free, hand poured with love. Our candles are made in the U.S. and the scents are included that they have, and then they give all these different scents. Caribbean getaway, Christmas, leaves, grapefruit, Macintosh, cinnamon rolls, cedar and vanilla, pumpkin spice, and sweet water. But it says scent included. So is it all in one? No, it couldn't be. And then on the back, it does say spa day number 37. All right, let's get to my little description paper. Let me see. So the eyelash pen that I did order, the 2 pens, that was $12.99. And the Boss Lady mug, that was $19.99. The Everyday I'm Hustling motivational mug, that is $19.99 also. And the eyelash metal travel coffee mug was $29. Kind of like, I don't know how much Yetis are. I got mine for Christmas, but I'm thinking they're kind of comparable in price. Yeah, so, and it came to $88. And I will put their link below, so if you want to check them out. You guys, this was a lot of fun. I am so ready to start using my stuff. You think I can use all 3 cups right away? Probably not. Okay, you guys, thanks for coming by and checking out my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I do a lot of fun stuff here. I like to decorate. I like to clean. I like to shop. I do like to cook, but I haven't been cooking lately. But really, I really enjoy you guys coming to my channel and checking everything out. I have 2 little dogs, Choppy and Piper. I might be starting their channel soon. And if there's anything you want to know about me, you guys, please ask. I think in a few weeks I'm gonna do 10 things you don't know about me. So just ask those questions and I'll be glad to answer. Thanks for coming, you guys. Bye-bye.